So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we're going to solve this JAMB practice repeated question on acids, base and salts. So guys, basically in this particular video we are going to consider stoichiometry. So guys, ensure to stay to the end of this video, and if you want to answer the question here before we provide the answer, you can feel free to pause the video and try out the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's quickly go ahead and check out the question we have here. We just have one question here, so let's read the question together. What volume of 0.1 mole per dm cube solution of tetroxosulfate 6 acid will be needed to dissolve 2.86 gram of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate? So guys, this trioxocarbonate 4, this is not tetroxocarbonate 4. So let's go ahead and do the needful thing. So first of all, we know that the first thing to do is to write the equation of the reaction. So let's go ahead and zoom in right here to our workspace and then write the equation of the reaction. Tetroxosulfate 6 acid plus sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrates, that's 10 water, will yield sodium tetroxosulfate 6 plus carbon dioxide plus 11 molecules of water. So guys, this is the equation of the reaction here, and from here we know that they are having the ratio 1 1 1 1. So it means that 1 mole of this will need 1 mole of these to produce 1 mole of these and 1 mole of these. So guys, this is necessary in every question you're solving on acid, base and salt. So it's necessary you understand how to write the equation of the reaction and balance it well. So guys, having done this, the next step we are going to take here is to know the actual mole of these substances. So since we know that it's not the entire gram of this substance that was used for this experiment, so we have to know the actual mole of these substances. They said we have here that in this reaction 2.86 gram of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate crystal was used, because the question says what volume of 0.1 mole per dm cube solution of tetroxosulfate 6 will be needed to dissolve 2.86 gram of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate crystal. So guys, the mass of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 crystal that was used here is 2.86 gram. So let's go ahead and write it down here. 2.86 gram. So in order to get the number of moles of this, we're going to divide this by the molar mass of this sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate. So guys, at this point, let's quickly use our calculator. So let's go ahead and check out the molar mass of sodium trioxocarbonate for decahydrates. So sodium is 23, and here it's actually times 2. So we have 23 times 2, and that's 46. So we are going to write 46 here plus carbon is 12. So let's write 12 plus oxygen is 16, but it's times 3 here. That's 48 plus 10 H2O. So H2O is actually 2 plus 16, and that's 18. So 18 times 10, that will be 180 here. So let's add up everything. We have 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 180, and that's 286. So this 286 grams per mole, and that's the molar mass of sodium trioxocarbonate for decahydrates. So guys, now that we've gotten the molar mass, we can now get the number of moles to be the mass or the reactant mass of this, which is in gram, as 2.86 gram, over the molar mass, which is 286 gram per mole. So guys, if we go ahead and punch this on our calculator, 2.86 divided by 286 will have 0.01 mole. So guys, it means that sodium trioxocarbonate for decahydrates here has 0.01 mole. So we'll go ahead and wipe this, but we're going to recall that since there is 0.01 mole of sodium trioxocarbonate for decahydrates in this reaction, it means that the number of moles of tetroxosulfate 6 acid here will also be 0.01 mole. So since we have established this, guys, the next thing we are going to do is to now get the volume of tetroxosulfate 6 acid. So in order to get the volume of tetroxosulfate 6 acid, we already have the molar concentration of tetroxosulfate 6 acid to be 0.1 mole per dm cube. And then the number of moles is this. The number of moles is 0.01 mole. So guys, all we are simply going to do here in order to get the volume is to divide the number of moles by the molar mass. And guys, this will give us 0.01 mole over 0.1 mole per dm cube. So guys, this would be 0.01 divided by 0.1 mole per dm cube. That's 0.1. So let's go ahead here and write 0.1 dm cube. So like we know, the options given to us here, guys, are in cm cube. So we are going to convert this to cm cube, and that's by multiplying this by 1000. So when we multiply this by 1000, we'll have our volume to be 100 cm cube. So guys, this is the answer to this question, and that's 100 cm cube. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to give you a response. Also, you can also help us share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people. And guys, we strongly encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership in order for you to be getting premium updates on JAMB, so as for you to have proper preparation for your JAMB. See you on the next one.